Hey guys, it's your red-green copycat guy here again. Hey, crazy guy. Hey, look, he's got flat earth on there. He's got backup lights, or plowing lights. Look at the fancy plowing lights. Hey, ain't that nice? Look at that, ain't that nice? And flat earth on there too. All right. Anyway, here we go. It's almost time to put the red-green copycat plow back on. Ain't that nice? All made out of wood. It's got your winch in there. Eh? The winch is underneath there. Hey, just pull her up to this truck and pull those ropes out and this cable and hook it on. Hey, this cable, that cable, and you hook it on. Hey, I'm going to show you how simple this thing is to put on. If I can set this camera up here someplace so it stays and you guys can see. Hey. I'm going to try to set it up so you guys can see how simple this thing is. Okay, I think that's almost set up. Raise her up a little bit more here. There we go. I think you guys can see it now. Anyway, this is what we do. These ropes are just looped over the bumper. Loop them up like that. Like that. Three ropes. In series. It's alright. You can put them either way. You can put them. It doesn't matter. Any old way. And then, this thing's not very heavy. I'll just make sure to straighten this thing's out of here. Make sure you don't break the control. Good on wood. Plastic drums. Plastic barrels. So, make sure my pants is pulled up. Just go like that. Body is straight right now. Get one side hooked in, that's all you do. Lift this thing up. Yeah, hands. Pull this up. From there. Up over there. Pull it over a little bit. Just like that. And it's falling off. And you just put this rope over there. Over a little bit. There. Put these chains in. Just go down a little bit. And safety chain. The chain over here. Like that. And put your cable, hook it on there. You're basically ready to go. So, take this guy, set her on there, open the hood. Open the hood. I'm going to have to take the grill out. You just unbutton it there. This cable goes in, just goes through these supports across and hangs out here. Okay. Now this controller. There it is. This controller, you just take this controller. Here. It goes under this thing. Oh, got water in it somehow. Not good. It goes under. We'll set this up there for now. These two cables, they just go in the battery over here. want it to lift by pushing one button the other direction, all you do is switch your cables around. Very, very simple. And you take this, into the controller, sits on the dash, I don't know if you can see me. Okay. The controller, see, that just hooks up to that battery there. Wires go. It sits on the dash here. And I just put these wires through, like that. And you're basically ready to go. But I'll bring this controller out just to, so you can see what's going on here. Okay, she's hooked up. See, that's letting it out. Okay. And up she goes. And you're ready to plow. Okay, so I'm going to leave it on there. Oh, my dog's gone crazy. Ooh. What do you want? It's me. I'm going to shoot you with the camera. I'm going to shoot you with the camera. Okay, it's me. You're not too smart. You're pretty smart. Anyway, that's the whole setup. And it comes on and off just so bloody easy. And like I say, it's not heavy, you know, like I can lift it. No real big problem. Oh, you be quiet, you. Anyway, that's the whole hookup to that red green machine. Hey, he says it's flat earth. And look at that, it's house lights. Hey, look at that, house lights. Anyway, we catch you later, guys. Bye.